Welcome to Singapore, a modern metropolis that beautifully preserves its heritage. Nowhere is this more apparent than right here in Little India. From above you can see how these historic red-roofed shop houses are tightly woven into the fabric of the surrounding skyscrapers. A perfect snapshot of Singapore's diverse identity. Our journey starts right by the Little India MRT station at the bustling Tekka Centre. This is the beating heart of the district, where the energy is palpable the moment you step foot inside. Walking through these streets is a feast for the senses. You will find vendors selling everything from vibrant fresh fruits and vegetables to traditional kitchenware. Just down the road stands the stunning Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore. The colors, the architecture, and the incredible rhythms of daily life make Little India truly unforgettable. One of the most fascinating things about Singapore is how seamlessly these distinct cultural enclaves flow into one another. You don't have to travel far to experience an entirely different world. Nestled comfortably between Little India and our next destination is Clarke Quay, a vibrant riverside hub. By crossing through this modern mix of dining and history, we transition from the vibrant streets of Little India straight into another of Singapore's most iconic districts. Let's head into Chinatown.
Singapore is very well controlled. World War II ended from a different side. Singapore lost forces surrendered to Japanese. You remember it was a looted.
From cheap, delicious street noodles to cooling off in a luxury mall, Singapore truly has it all. Next up, I am taking you on a walking tour inside Marina Bay Sands.